Good day everyone. Yesterday we did problem sums, addition. Today we are going to do problem sums of subtraction. I am Sheila Selvam from Shri R.G. Bajaria English Medium Primary School and we are going to do chapter 9 of standard 4. So yesterday we solved the sums of addition. Now you see we are on page number 48 of our textbook and here we have subtraction sums. So let me read the first sum for you. There are 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other and how many more are there? So what is the information given? Marathi books 1473, Hindi books 586. Which language has more books? Marathi. What is asked? How many more books in which language? So the method which we will use is subtraction. So we will write the big number first, that is 1473, and we will subtract 586 from that number. So the answer we get is 887. So here we will write the answer in words. There are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Let's take the next example. The sum of two numbers is 31,426. One of the numbers is 17,548. What is the other number? So how will we find out the other number? We will write the big number on top and we will subtract the smaller number from it. So when we subtract 17,548 from 31,426, we get 13,878. Okay. And now we are going to solve the sums which are on page number 48. We have 5 problem sums here and I have written 2 sums for you. The first sum is Abdul had 720 beads. He sold 648 of them. How many beads does he have left? So what we will write the information given. Abdul had 720 beads. Abdul sold 648 beads. So what is the method that we are going to follow? We are going to do subtraction because we want to find out the difference of what is left. So let us subtract 648 from 720. So can you subtract 8 from 0? No. So what are we going to do? We are going to borrow from the tens place. Here because we are borrowing 1 over here, we get 1. Then this becomes 10 and this number do not forget. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now here we have 1. Can we subtract 4 from 1? No, we cannot. So we are going to borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So we get 11 here and this becomes 6. So 11 minus 4 is, come on tell me, 11 minus 4 is 7. Now we have here 6 minus 6, that is 0. So what is the answer? There is Abdul has he had 720 beads, but now he has only 72 beads left because he sold 648 beads. So here the answer will be Abdul had. No, we do not want to know what Abdul had. Now we want to know what he has left. So we will say Abdul has 72 beads left. That is our answer. The second sum is Joseph bought tables worth 6,350. and chairs worth rupees 3,800. How much more did the tables cost than the chairs? See, when you read the question, you can see that the chairs cost less and the tables cost more. So here we have to find out how much more the tables cost him. So we wrote the cost of tables 6,350. Then we write the cost of chairs 3,800. So let us subtract it and find out how will you subtract this? 5 minus 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now can we subtract 8 out of 3? No, we cannot. So we are going to borrow from here and make this 13. And this becomes 5. So 13 minus 8 is, yes, it's 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have the answer 2550, that is 2,550. So the tables cost him rupees 2,550 more than the chairs. The tables cost rupees 2,550 more than the chairs. Now we have the third sum. Raghav Rao bought seeds worth rupees 3,587 and fertilizers worth rupees 3,800. How much more did the fertilizers cost? Now see, because the seeds are given first, we have written the cost of seeds first. Then, because the fertilizers are written after that, we have written the cost of fertilizers in the second spot. But do you think this is right? The cost of fertilizers is more than the cost of seeds. So can I subtract a smaller number from this bigger number? Can I do that? No, we cannot. So this is not the right way to write. This is the wrong way to write. What we are going to write is that we will write the cost of the fertilizers first and then we will subtract the cost of seeds, that is 3,587. So you have to be very careful. You have to read the sum properly and you have to write the bigger number first always. And also you have to write the statement correctly. So now when we subtract this, how can we subtract? Can we take out 7 from 0? No, we have to borrow. But since here we have a 0, we have to borrow from here. So this becomes 7, this becomes 10, and from this 10 we borrow 1 here. So you get here 9 and you get a 10 over here. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have the answer, that is 213. So we will write our answer over here. Question is, how much more did the fertilizers cost? How much more did the fertilizers cost? So the answer we will write is fertilizers cost rupees 213 more. So remember, always write the big number first and then the smaller number to subtract. Thank you. You will do the other two sums on page number 48 on your own.